Perfect. Welcome back to Casual Fitness Secrets. Today we'll be doing our Travelers Workout Part 2, Hotel Edition. This is one of our by video requests that was put in by Darrell426. Hey, this is for you, guy. So, during this video, we'll be doing our toning phases. We'll be having 3 sets of 18. Now, depending on what type of hotel you're staying at, you'll either have a treadmill or elliptical machines. It doesn't matter. So for the warm-up, our pre-workout, we'll be doing 5 to 10 minutes so that you get a great stretch and you're warmed up. So depending on what piece of equipment the hotel has that you're staying in, they can either have elliptical machines or treadmill. You can be on the treadmill from 5 to 10 minutes to warm up, and then we'll move into the program. You'll be going through each exercise. In your workout, you'll do 3 sets of 18. Now, you can add an additional set for your warm up. Now, during the workout, ensure that you're using weights that you can maintain for 18 reps. Weight that allows you to go above 18, but it's not too heavy that you can't get 18. Make sure you stretch, grab your towel, and get your water. Let's go and hit this workout. And this was our Travelers Workout Part 2 Hotel Edition. Now, hope you pushed yourself. Remember, when you're pushing those weights and you're going through those high repetitions, make sure you always maintain correct form. At any time when you're doing your workouts, anytime you feel like your form is starting to fail, you can drop the weight and go to a lighter weight. That way you maintain form. Form is the key thing here. Always maintain form. Now, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below or hit us up on one of our social media platforms. That's on Instagram and Facebook. That's casual_fitness_seekers. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button that should be floating around right about here. Remember, always practice great form, enjoy your workouts, bring out that motivation, stretch, drink lots of water, and we'll see you next time. Casual Fitness Seekers out.